Number three is it's from another thread too. It's here it is. And it is about a backpack, a very good backpack. But this person said to me, it's I think Kata is maybe I'm reading it wrong, and it's acquired by Manfrotto. Now I know Manfrotto's pretty good. I don't have a Manfrotto backpack, but I have another one that is high quality. As a victim of cheap camera bags that I've purchased over the years, I can tell you that having a nicer bag is going to be better for you all around. Your gear is a lot of money. It's a lot of emotional stability. Protect it, protect your heart, protect your career, protect everything. So don't buy the cheap zipper ones that look really good in a photograph on Amazon. Instead, pool people's money together with yours if you have to. Buy something for maybe 250, 350, $400. And by the way, rest assured that the fashion of camera bags doesn't change that fast. So you're okay with one and holding it for 10, 15 years. All right, number four, where is that? It's right here. It is the 50 millimeter lens. It is the second most important lens in your photography career. Mine's a little bit old and it shakes, but still works. And I should be upgrading this one. But when I first started, I started with weddings and portraits. And it was between the 50 millimeter, about 30, 40% of my work. And then I had the 24 by 70, the remainder of my work. It's such a beautiful lens for like many different types of photography. It's very affordable, and I think it's only Canon would do such a thing. Call it the nifty 50. The 50 is just so nice, especially when it's dark. I'll go to the 1.4. Beautiful lens. Let's go to number 5. I'm trying to rush through these really quickly and get to the point. Number 5 is a beautiful tripod. It comes with a carrying case, a vinyl carrying case. It's really nice. But this is the tripod. This is something that, and I'll link this down below too. This is a tripod that looks nice. It's heavyweight enough, but it's also light enough that you can walk with. It has a strap. You can just kind of hold it, hit anybody with it that tries to take your stuff. It has the ball head. It is very good. The legs extend out all the way, all of them, so you get a nice flat angle, etc. I really like this. It also, I mean, obviously it extends. Oh, it does. But this is one of my favorite parts of this. Okay, this hook right here is amazing for you to hang a nice camera bag from, or a sandbag. And when you do that, that gives so much more stability to a tripod like this, so you can get some really nice stable shots. It folds up nicely. I highly recommend this. I have, I believe, 2 to 3 of them. Another long story, but